have crypto in your wallet that you'd like to invest for some good interest, I'm going to show you how to use Binance Earn for a good APR on the various cryptos. So you are going over to your wallet and then select Earn. Which will direct us in the Binance Earn products. You can stake different cryptos for various APRs. So there is simple earn, staking, duo investment, launch pool, pool saving, auto saving, and smart arbitrage. So let's go over to earn products and see what they have in store for us. So we have USDT, USDC, Ethereum, AXL, and many others, each with its own APR. APR means annual percentage return. We also have the option of flexible staking and locked staking. Since I have USDT in my wallet, we are going to go with this option of USDT, which gives an estimate of 1.7% to 100% APR. So we are going to take the simple earn option and subscribe. As you can see, I have 12.94 USDT in my wallet. So let's put in the maximum amount. And with that maximum amount, with the first option of flexible saving of 6.57% APR, we are going to get an estimate daily reward of 0.00233 274 USDT. The next option is the 14-day staking, which has a minimum of 1 USDT. So when we put in the maximum, let's see how much it's going to give us. With this second option of 14-day staking, and with us staked 12.94 USDT, we are going to get an estimate of 0.49 USDT per day. So times 14 days, you can do the calculation and you'll see how much you are going to get by the end of the 14 days. And this is a special offer from Binance. If you want to go with the 21-day option, too bad, this product has been sold out, so we can't subscribe to the 21-day staking offer. It's sold out. So the only option we got is the flexible staking and the 14-day special offer. So I'm going to show you with this one, the flexible, since I don't want to lock my funds for that long. I'm going to show you simple flexible staking. So you're going to click on maximum and then confirm, and that's it. Subscription successful. We just subscribed today on 30th of April at 6:24 p.m. Our first distribution date will be on May 2nd at 3. So that's it. So what happens when you want to redeem your funds after the staking period is done? You'll still come to the earn page here and then click on redeem. As you can see, the funds that we staked was 12.94 USDT and the APR that we selected was 6.57%, and the cumulative total rewards is 0.0137172 USDT. So when the maturity period comes, you just come and click on redeem, then select the maximum amount that you want to redeem, and then agree to the Binance Simple Earn terms and conditions, and then confirm, and that's it. With that, you'll be able to access your funds and use them once again. But since we just staked, there's nothing to redeem, so we'll just have to wait. You just have to select one of the earn products with a good APR, and that's it. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the end.